Hey everyone. Welcome back to FL Studio, another tutorial. In this video I am showing you how you can mix kick and 808 like a pro. So let's get started. I am using trap top kick and 808 bass. It sound like this. You can set the settings on your 808. I am creating normal beat for this tutorial, but you can create any beat you want. It sound good for me. Now let's create a 808. You can copy your kick pattern for 808 bass. Add slide bass too. It sound good for me. Route this kick and 808 into mixer channel and follow my steps. Add fruity peak controller on kick channel. Set bass value 50%. Add fruity parametric EQ 2 on 808 bass. Set low band value around 200 Hz. Then right click on band 1 and set link to controller. Open internal controller and select peak control, peak and LFO. Open mapping formula and select inverted. Then accept. Now it's done. You can see different without mix and with mix. Use Maximus to see low frequencies. Hope you understand this process. I meet you in next tutorial.